Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan RL75 2.0 TDI DSG with 150 horsepower, only 4,100 kilometers on the clock, and a sleek grey exterior. This premium estate/Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and technology, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, this Tiguan ensures a luxurious driving experience. Stay safe on the road with 360 view camera, collision alert, and lane departure warning. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Visit mullingarautos.ie or call us today to learn more about this incredible Volkswagen Tiguan. Drive in style and peace of mind with this exceptional SUV.